make sure no one's watching.
Dice Gang, we are back for yet another video, and I feel like this video has been long awaited. A lot of people like these videos. It is my most viewed video, and well, bringing it back finally after the long wait back. So you might be asking, what are you talking about? What do you mean? Well, if you haven't read the title, guys, I'm talking about the best sounds in Omnisphere. Okay, we are back. Okay, I've discovered some new sounds because Omnisphere is just a vast library of audible goodness. So all I did was I made a MIDI on FL Studio, and we're just gonna browse through the sounds. I'm gonna show you the sounds, and I'm also gonna show you some tricks on how to make them sound even better. So yeah, I haven't said this in a minute. Join the Discord, okay? Join my Discord. All right, okay, it is popping off. We have like what, I think 600 members now, and we also do live beat critiques all the time. Also, don't forget to like the video, all right, share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right, the whole sub to non-sub watch rate, I forgot what the metric is, or it's gotten better, but I'm gonna need you more, you guys, to subscribe. It's still only 30% of you guys watch subscribe, so you're gonna have to subscribe. You're gonna have to do better. And also, don't forget to turn on post notifications, hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. All right, you don't want to miss my videos. All right, so yeah, with that being said, let's get right into it, shall we? All right, so first things first, in our Omnisphere VST, what you're gonna want to do is make your way all the way to the keyboards category, as you see right here. And the very first sound that I like to use, retrospective piano. The most recent Uzi video that I did, I used this preset, and let me tell you guys, this is like perfect for Lil Uzi, honestly. So this is what it sounds like. And I also, by the way, I have gross beat and reverb. I'm just gonna take those off so you can hear the raw sound. So this is what it sounds like. So that's what it sounds like by itself. No. So what I do like to do with this is, of course, add gross beat, but before I do that, I also add an arpeggio. I just like to add arpeggios to my stuff in half speed. That's like my kind of secret, I guess. So I'm just gonna add a little arpeggio and show you guys what that'll sound like. I mean, in my opinion, that sounds really good. So that is the first one. It's a retrospective piano. Make sure you use it. Always add all those effects in it. Should sound very, very fire, if you know what I mean. Next on our list, we have the Rody Guitarette. That sounds like this. Oh, and fun fact, this preset was actually in the Young Thug and Uzi song. Oh my God, what's it called? I'm gonna go on Spotify real quick. It's a slime, that's what it's called. And fun fact, another thing, when you're playing around with these presets, you can use this little timbre slider to make it sound either a bit more soft or harsh. I forget which way is soft, but using that timbre effect really helps to customize the sound and make it sound even better. Third one is the Celeste Ambient. I don't know if I've shown this one already, but I think this one's kind of popular. But it sounds like this. Oh, play please. Oops. So it's a nice kind of melody, and I think this would be good. I don't know, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like it would be a nice, maybe background counter melody in like a Roddy Ricch or a NBA Youngboy kind of beat. Next sound we have is the crushed tone keys. Now I like this one a lot because this is very Uzi-like. That makes any sense, because it's kind of like and I think the reason why it's called crushed tone keys is because it's like a bit crushed kind of sound, and it sounds like really, I like to use the word Game Boy-ish because that's what it reminds me of, but here's what it sounds like. And with this sound, it's always good to use, I think it's I mean, you don't need reverb. I mean, it sounds decent without reverb. I think it's good to put at least just a little bit of reverb, maybe not too much because you want to still have that big crushed feel. It's good to have a little bit of reverb just because, I don't know, the sound can be a little harsh on the ears. So if you want to like soften the sound up, make it sound a little bit better on the ears when you're actually listening to it and when you're actually using it, reverb can help to balance that out. So that is that. All right, next time we have is the crushed plastic piano 2. Here's what it sounds like. I don't even think, it sounds good, but I don't even think reverb is on, so let's turn that on. You can just play around with it. And another thing I would like to, I think would sound good on this would probably be maybe like a phaser or something. Where can I get it? A flanger? I don't know, a flanger? Is that what it is? Is it? So this is a good preset for fruity phaser. I think, what is it called? Aqua Nice. So yeah, you can just play around with those effects, especially with this fruity phaser and what's it called? Crushed plastic. Using those effects are pretty cool. And I'm just gonna turn off the phaser because phasers don't sound good with every sound, but with that sound, I think a phaser sounds particularly nice. All right, next sound we have is the Dream Piano D50. That sounds like. So yeah, that's what that sounds like. Very soft sound. Good for, I would say, Uzi and Pierre Bourne beats. Maybe even if you could reverse that. I'm gonna reverse it and see what that sounds like. And another thing, that's another thing I didn't even tell you guys. You could reverse these sounds and test them out as well. See what they sound like. There you go. That's another thing that I completely forgot to say. Like, you could literally reverse these sounds and they sound lit. All right, now that we've got that one out of the way, next one is going to be the Hammond Perk Rhodes 1. Sounds like this. Kind of sounds like the key in, or the keyboard in EXO Tour Life, but. So here's our little arpeggio. And then the reverse would sound like this. So that's what it sounds like. Sounds all right. So once again, I'm not saying that the reverse is always gonna work. Just test it out. Sometimes you'll be surprised. Because a lot of beat making is just trial and error, honestly. So next we have the Infinite Celeste. It's a variant of the I think it's the Liquid Celeste. They're the same one, like the Infinite Celeste and Liquid Celeste, but Infinite Celeste is has more reverb on it, but we already put reverb, so I'm just gonna go to Liquid Celeste, and here's what it sounds like. So there's what that sounds like. And now we have the Mysterious Metals Celeste. I don't know why the word Celeste is used so much. I don't even know what that means, but. So with Omnisphere, there's always two sounds playing at once, or most of the time with these presets. The one that was really annoying was the piano morphing, so I just removed that one. I just turned it off by pressing this thing. So now it's gonna play by itself, sound like this. Now we can go to the next one, which is the Organic Rhodes Gentle and Noisy. Sounds like this. And then we can reverse it, of course. And there's that. You know what? I'm probably gonna leave it there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think we've gone on for long enough. What are we doing? We're doing 18 minutes. So hopefully this is good enough for you guys. The third installment of the best sounds in Omnisphere. I hope this helped. Hope you guys are gonna make some better beats. I want to hear the fire, okay? Especially when you join the Discord. All right. So make sure you do that. Also, don't forget to like the video. Also, comment on what videos I should do in the future, and of course, share with your friends. And last but not least, subscribe. Okay? It can't be only 30% of you that are subscribed watching my videos. Like, come on now. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on post notifications as well. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.